What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break Canal, getting ready for our 2-box memorabilia break tonight. Good luck, good luck. We're live. Figure out our teams. We're not live for this break until when? Until 10 or 9:30? 10. So an hour and a half away still. Best of luck. Here's your teams. 826 in Newfoundland, and we're live at 10. Anaheim to Winnipeg. Damon to Damon. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. Timestamps. Timestamp on 3 is 826. 827 has just turned, and last and final on the team should do it. Copy that over. We don't have any real group breaks tonight. This is a memorabilia break, and here's your timestamp. 827. We have a hit draft later tonight as well. 827. Let's copy these over. So in the hit draft, everybody goes home a winner. Nobody leaves without a hit. That is almost full as well. There's only 7 spots in that. That's why it's almost full. There's teams. Let's match up the names with them. 827 and Damon to Damon. 1, 2, 3. Lots of time for trades. Timestamp on 3 is at 827. 827. Last and final will do it. Good luck. Okay. Oops. Final timestamp is at 828, and 828 it is. Matt to Justin. Matt to Justin, Jeremy to Jeremy. All right, folks, there is your teams. We'll post them in the comments. We'll see you in an hour and a half. Best of luck.